Will Binance list PI coin? Hype versus reality as PI networks mainnet launch nears. According to Crypto's news, as PI networks mainnet launch approaches, the excitement around PI coin is at an all-time high. The token recently witnessed a 100% price surge after getting listed on OKX, rising speculation about a potential Binance listing. However, neither Binance nor the PI core team have confirmed any plan, making investor questions whether a listing is truly on the horizon or if this is just another overhyped rumor. PI Network's unique approach, hype versus utility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, PI Network allows users to mine PI coin via smartphones, making it more accessible than conventional crypto assets. With the growing community of over 100 million users, PI has positioned itself as a potential game changer in the crypto space. However, critics urged that PI coin was never meant by speculation but rather for reward transactions through a barter system. If PI sticks to this model and remain unlisted on major exchanges, its adoption could be slow but steady. On the other hand, a Binance listing could cause PI coin's price to surge as more investors jumps in. But without a strong use case, PI could suffer the same fate as previous overhyped projects like Berachain and Hamster, which crashed after their initial price spikes. Binance stance, will it take the risk? Despite the growing buzz, Binance has not confirmed any plan to list PI Net coin. Meanwhile, other major exchanges seem Bybit has rolled out a PI listing. HTX removed its PI USDT trading pair. BitGet deleted multiple PI related posts. These moves suggest that top exchanges remain speculative about PI's legitimacy. Another concern is China's regulatory security of PI network, with some critics calling it a pyramid scheme. Given Binance's strict listening policies, it is unlikely to take the risk unless PI proves its legitimacy and completes its full launches. Is PI coin price rally sustainable? Following its 100% price surge, PI coin is now trading around 72. After experiencing a 10% drop, market speculation places PI's 2025 price prediction between 93 and 2022 with an average estimate of 141. However, without a confirmed Binance listing or strong use case, the current rally could be short-lived. Breaking PI Network official Twitter: PI core team surpasses Ethereum and enter the top 5 more followed cryptocurrencies in the world. BNB, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, PI network. This is even more impressive as until Binance makes an official announcement, PI's listing remains speculation at best, while PI network has grown to become one of the top 5 most followed cryptocurrencies on X. Final thought: PI coins growing popularity and OKX listing has followed speculation about a potential Binance listing, but so far there is no confirmation with major exchanges. hesitant and regulatory concerns looming. Investors should be questions about the hype. Is SBI a future powerhouse or just another crypto bubble? Only time will tell.